Hello guys, in this video I am going to teach you how to mine cats. If you missed out on the dogs airdrops, don't miss out on the cats airdrops. People made a lot of money from dogs when dogs was listed. So guys, you can make your own money when you mine cats. Cats is already listed on BitGet. If you go to BitGet, if you check the pre-market, you will see cats. It is listed already. Very soon after the pre-market sale, cats will be listed officially on different crypto exchange and people will make a lot of money. So guys, don't miss out on these airdrops. If you want to kickstart your cats mining journey, you have to invite your friends. When you invite your friends, you will earn more cats token for your efforts. You click on home on the front page of the app. When you click on home, you will search for show more tasks. You click on it. Every task that is listed, you have to do every one of them. When you do all tasks that are listed, you will earn more cats tokens as your rewards. So guys, every single day you have to come to this app and check for daily rewards or more tasks so that you can blast off when they list this project. So guys, if you want to kickstart your mining journey on cats, you can use my link in the description. If you like this video, comment, share and like. It will encourage me to make more videos. Thank you for watching.